welcome to the hotel. Today I'm your host. Let me take your suitcases for you.
Thank you very much, sir. Premier service.
What's your room number, madam? 510?
Yep,
I'll take you there.
Fifth floor, baby. Wow, this room is insane.
Room service. Hi, madam. Bring in your suitcases.
Come on through.
No jokes now. We are in the Radisson Blu Hotel in the 5th floor in the premium room, and we're gonna show you around.
When you come into the room, the first thing on the right is this lovely area with the best part, free water. We love free water. And a coffee machine that we didn't know how to use, so we just ended up making boiling water. Now in here, we've got wardrobe towels and the best part, robies! I love it when we get robes in a hotel. I feel like every hotel should have robes. Opposite the coffee area, we've got the toilet. Come on in. Oh my God, this is just beautiful. Look at this. Vanity kit, you get your usual shampoo, conditioner, lotion, hair and body wash. Amazing. And look at this mirror. I could look at this all day long. The throne, of course, is a toilet after all, isn't it? And last but not least, the shower. This is the weirdest rain shower we've ever seen. It's usually hanging from the ceiling, but this one is just there, attached to it. Look at how big this shower is, and I'm like 2 meters tall. Can you help me stand up? As you cross this line right here, you come into the bedroom. And we're gonna show you the bed first, because surprisingly, the bed is not the best feature of this room. It is gorgeous, by the way. Bed test! Woo! Oh my God, I'm in heaven. It's like fluffy clouds. This is the best bed I've ever jumped on.
Cristiano crosses it. Cristiano, no. Oh.
And over here, a massive TV. Can't wait to Netflix and chill later. And over to this side, you've got a desk and it is huge. This mirror. I could be here all day. Sounds familiar? I could look at this all day long. The mirrors in this room are just insane. I'm so impressed. Over here, this amazing table. And of course, we did say we are in a premium room. It literally has a premium sign on our front door. It is because of the views. We get to watch the sunset, the pink skies. I feel like standing here is like a motivational quote scene.
I found that nothing in life is worthwhile unless you take risks. Nothing. Nelson Mandela said, there is no path.
And now onto our favorite part of this room. This super cute lounge area with this mustard colored chair. Oh my God. I feel like I'm about to be crowned the Queen of the Andals, protector of the realm. And that's it for today's video. So if you want to see more insane hotels, make sure you like and subscribe to follow our journey in Southeast Asia. And the hotels there are crazy. Just you wait.